today we're going to do this topic, okay, 3 Singapore growth stocks to watch 2025. So in terms of growth stocks, okay, some people will talk about the story, what's the growth story. But in Singapore, right, the problem is there's not much story. Okay, so in terms of growth, what we are looking at is maybe the price growth. Right, the price growth. So which are the stocks that is having this highest volatility, highest potential, steadiest uptrend? Okay, so we try to find these 3 stocks. Okay, let's try to find these 3 potential stocks. Okay, that is listed in SGX. Okay, so let's get started with this topic. So over here, just now I mentioned, okay, what I define as growth. I'm not talking about the, of course you can look out for their fundamental growth, but today, due to time constraint, I just highlight the stocks, and then later on you can study the fundamental at your end. Okay, so let's get started. I'm using my screener to screen out these stocks. Okay, so what I will use here, right? I will use this thing called the big mover. Okay, the big mover. So this big mover, okay, is basically to screen out, right, what are some of these stocks that have a big move in SGX. Okay, so some of the big move can be up and down, correct? But some of the big move can also be up and up. Okay, so personally, if you ask me, I would prefer the blue color one. I prefer the blue color. But if you're looking at the green color kind of stocks where you can buy low and then sell high, it's not wrong as well. Okay, so using this screener, it actually saved me a lot of time. Okay, it saved me a lot because when I press the button, okay, from just now stage 2 to the big mover, right, it just suddenly gives me the stocks, and we only have 5 stocks. Okay, so we straight away zoom in. If you ask me to choose 3, I say maybe no need to choose 3. You just take 5 because you don't have to choose 3 if you only have 5. Okay, if you have 30, then you want to choose 3. If you only have 5, sometimes you just look for these 5 stocks. You just look at these 5 stocks. Okay, so let's take a look at these 5 stocks. Okay, let me just write down. Okay, the number 1, SETS. Okay, SETS. Okay, some people that may think that SETS is not a growth stocks. SETS is a blue chip. Okay, but over here, I would say there is some kind of like a overlap lah. Okay, so this is a blue chip, pretty big cap, $5 billion stocks, $5 billion stocks. Pretty heavily traded stocks, 21 million a day today. Okay, and at the same time, it comes with the power. The trend comes with the power. So if you are looking at the potential growth, right, that means like your capital gain. Okay, so the number 1 stocks, okay, I will say it will qualify is SATS. Okay, because if you ask me, if I were to choose a stock that nobody trade that go up, and a stock that many people trade that goes up, I will choose the one that many people trade that go up. If you ask me, if you ask me like this business, I can participate one. Like example, SETS. I go to airport, I can see SETS. Okay, but compare some other company, like let's say Yang I wouldn't know. Okay, I wouldn't see the business. I wouldn't see it because I'm not in the shipping industry. Correct. So for me, if you ask me to choose, I would choose something that I can see the business, I can use the business. Like example, Facebook, okay, Meta, I can see, I can use, I will buy. Like recently, I buy a new computer. Okay, I will look at whether it got Nvidia or not. Okay, so if got Nvidia, then it qualify to my purchase list. So when I choose a company, it's easier for me to buy if I understand what this business is doing. Okay, it's easier. So for me, straight away I choose SETS because this Singapore airport, Everybody know terminal services. Everybody know what they do. Simple business. Okay, simple business. Okay, so so it's easy. Okay, and why I choose this? Because this stock move fast. Okay, it moves fast. Although it looks like a normal uptrend, but if you look at how much it actually moved during the past 1 year, it is actually like quite strong. This is a pretty strong uptrend. Okay, and the next thing is actually it have some kind of a correction during the past 2 years during the pandemic. Correct? Okay, so if you look at these sets also, they have one good thing about sets, right? Is if this is a dividend stocks, okay, like during this period 2021 to 2018, okay, what we actually want is, if I have a stock that I can buy and then hold, and then at the same time give me dividend and then go up a lot, I mean that's the best case scenario. Okay, that's the best case scenario. So over here, sets actually qualify for this like a big mover. Okay, this screen a big mover. Okay, so the next thing, okay, just now I just talked about Yangzijiang, right? So Yangzijiang actually came out, on the 2nd. Okay, so Yangzijiang, right? Although some of you don't know what Yangzijiang do, okay, or not clear shipbuilding, okay, not your forte, not the things that you do or see day to day. But the important thing is Yangzijiang have 32 million traded a day. So in Singapore, if you look at sets, right, sets only got 21 million, but Yangzijiang, right, got 32. So in other words, this Yangzijiang trade more actively than sets. Okay, it's trade one of the stock that trade actively. Okay, so of course this one will come with more risk. I would say this one will come with more risk because of the volatility, so the pullback up. But today we're talking about growth stocks. Okay, we're talking about growth stocks. We are not talking about dividend stocks lah. Okay, so over here, Yangzijiang qualify or not? Okay, I will say yes also. But let me see the rest first. Okay, see the rest. So the third one will be RIVERSTONE. Okay, RIVERSTONE. Okay, RIVERSTONE, I would say that is one of the risky one. Okay, why? Because RIVERSTONE is in the healthcare sector. The healthcare sector is actually good during the pandemic period where the glove stocks is the big trend. Okay, but now, now glove stock is not the big trend. Okay, so I don't really see whether is it there's a potential or not. Okay, however, RIVERSTONE is also one of the stock that did well during the past 1 year. So let's move on to the next one first. So the next one is Centurion. Okay, Centurion. So Centurion, has been going up from 30 over cents to 80 over cents, which is very good. So all this blue arrow just went up, blue arrow go up, blue arrow go higher, blue arrow go higher, blue arrow go higher again, blue arrow go higher again, blue arrow go higher. Wow. And you see this blue color, this smart money. Okay, this smart money is actually the like a pretty steady. Okay, so the thing here is, whether or not wow, this is the potential one. Okay, I also want to put it in. Okay, to me for now lah. Okay, for now, I will put it in. Okay, for now, I will kind of okay, I'll put it in. Okay, I'll put it in for now. Okay, but will it continue to go higher? Okay, will it continue to go higher? Actually, I also not sure. Okay, I also pretty skeptical on these stocks. Okay, but just take with a pinch of salt because it's only a very lightly traded. Okay, so I wouldn't for short-term trading, yes okay, for short-term trading I will look at this, but also a bit careful must be careful. And then last one is Dynamic. Okay, so Dynamic also have the transacted value, also have everything, but Dynamic is just okay. I really not so sure about this one as well. Okay, so growth stock is pretty tough in Singapore. Okay, it's pretty tough because some of these stocks, right? Okay, they do have a very strong power. Okay, if you ask me which one is the most powerful uptrend, number 1 is Dynamic, number 2 is Centurion, number 3 is YANGANG. Okay, so to play it safer, you know, I will say probably, you know, YANGANG will be the growth stocks that you should be watching. Okay, so previously, right, you know, if you look at some other stocks, right, people will look at iFast, okay, iFast, because you know, this iFast, right, have a very strong trend, okay, very strong trend. And if you ask me, is it possible or not for iFast to have this trend again? Okay, actually, I feel that, you know, like actually this iFast, right, in terms of the potential, there's a long-term potential. Okay, because Singapore is what? Singapore is a financial, like what we call financial center. Okay, financial center. So iFast, okay, iFast, if you look at this, the overall trend, right? Okay, iFast looks like, you know, still uptrend. Okay, still uptrend. But the only thing is what? The only thing is this stock is $7. Okay, $7, and the transaction like only 3 million. Okay, which is not too bad. Okay, but anyway, okay, iFast is like a quality company. We know what's the business doing. We know this platform is helping these financial advisors to do the business. Okay, so definitely this iFast is a legit company, okay, that abide to the, you know, all these MAS and all that things. Okay, so anyway, okay, I will put iFast at the back of my mind, and I will, you know, put it in. Okay, so the next thing is I will try other screener, okay, to see if I miss out anything. Okay, so Centurion, Dynamic, YANGANG, these are the few things. SGX, ST Engineering. Okay, so if you ask me blue chip, right, then we'll go into this SGX and ST Engineering. Okay, so today we talk about the growth stocks. So growth stocks will be SETS, Centurion, YANGANG. Okay, so let's see, okay, in 2025 will they continue or not? So basically the strategy that I share with you, right, okay, is kind of like, you know, we have to do it on a monthly basis, quarterly basis, so that if this stock is no longer good, we will change another one in. You understand? Okay, so now you look at this video, I talk about this stocks because this stock is good right now. Okay, so in the next 3 months, if anything change, there's a better one. By right, what I will do is I will pull out this one, big mover, and then, you know, I will see, is there a better choice or not? Okay, so I will change.